OnePlus has finally confirmed the OnePlus 13's launch date. The brand will hold a launch event on October 31st, and now the company itself has posted a quick official unboxing video of the OnePlus 13. The screen seems flat with extremely narrow while the Hasselblad logo has moved. The phone will stick to a triple camera setup on the back, a 50-megapixel Sony LYT808 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide-angle lens, new 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 telephoto lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera. The OnePlus 13 will be available in 3 colors. The black variant seems to have a textured finish. The blue variant appears to feature a dual-tone design with a white camera island. Regarding the white variant, it seems to have a plain finish. In terms of design, the OnePlus 13 features a micro-quad curved display on the front and a prominent circular camera module on the back panel. It will debut as one of the first phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, will feature up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0. Oxygen OS 15 stands out as the best, surpassing One UI 6. However, the real comparison will come once One UI 7 is released, and then we can truly see which is superior. For now, Oxygen OS 15 takes the lead. Is that the phone will feature a BOE X2 display. It is claimed to offer improved brightness, better outdoor visibility, and enhanced eye protection. The OnePlus 13 will have a 6.8-inch AT LTPO BOE X2 screen with a quad microcurve design. It will offer a 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. It will have an IP68/69 dust and water resistance. The other big upgrade is that the phone will apparently have a 6000 mAh battery and pairs it with 100W wired charging. OnePlus announced a magnetic small turbine in China, 50W magnetic wireless charging device. The OnePlus 13 will have support for this.